Lord Krishnanaman, my all dear student, welcome in science class. Now we are discuss about nutrition in animals. First, we discuss about what is the human physiology and human anatomy, because without the help of anatomy and physiology you cannot understand what is the nutrition in animal. Anatomy and physiology. Anatomy means the study of structure of the human's body. You can study of the structure of human body. And physiology, the study of the function of the human body. That means the complementary of structure and function. The complementary of structure and function. How can organizations build up? Subatomic particle, just like electron, proton and neutron, round in atom. Atom means hydrogen atom, lithium atom. You know, all component are made of with the help of atom. Molecule, water molecule, glucose molecules, macromolecules, bigger size, protein molecule, DNA molecule, organelles in cell, just like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus or nucleus, cell, muscle cell, nerve cells, tissue, organ system, organism. All are stepwise. That means very small each subatomic particle, then atom create molecules, and many molecule consist and create macromolecules. Macromolecules create and organelles, and organelles made with the help of cell. The group of cell is called tissue, and many tissue combine create organs involve and create organ system, and all organ system create in the human or living organism. Level of organization, you can see subatomic particles build atom build molecule build macromolecule build organelles build cell, and the group of cell is called tissue, and many tissue form organ, and all the organ is organism. Organ system, many type of system found in human body or organism. First, integument system, second, skeletal system, third, muscular system, fourth, nerve system, 5, endocrine system, 6, cardiovascular system, lymphatic system, digestive system, respiratory system, urinary system, male reproductive system, female reproductive system. All systems treat with the some technical clinical applications. First, ultrasound, second, MRI, magnetic resource imaging. Character of life, many character found in life. Number first, movement, change in position, You can say motion, responsiveness, reaction to change, growth, increase in the body size, no change in shape, reproduction, productions of new organism and new cell, respiration, obtaining oxygen, removal carbon dioxide, releasing energy from food. Characteristic of life. First, digestion. Breakdown of food substance into simpler substance. Many components present in food, just like carbohydrate, protein, vitamin. Absorption. Passage of substance through membranes and into body fluid. It's called absorption. Circulation. Movement of substance in body fluid. It's called circulation. Assimilation. Changing of absorption substance into chemically different form. Excretion. Removal of waste productions by metabolic reaction. Maintenance of life. Life depends on 5 environmental factors. First, water. Second, oxygen. Third, heat. Fourth, pressure. Dear student, requirement of organism. All organisms want to be require some product. Water. Most abundant substance in body, required for metabolic process, required for transport and substance, regulate body temperature. Water is very important for us. Without water you cannot make food, and organism cannot get nutrition. Second, food. Food is also important for our organism. Food provides necessary nutrients. Food provides supplies of energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Food provides supplies raw material. Oxygen. Organism require 1/5 of air oxygen's quantity used to release energy from the nutrition. Heat. Form of heat partly control rate of metabolic reaction. Heat is also required all organism. Pressure. All organism want to be require pressure. Application of force on an object. Atmospheric pressure. Importance for breathing. If atmospheric pressure is absent, then you cannot able to breathe. Hydrostatic pressure keeps blood flowing. This is very important for us. Homeostasis. This is the important point for you. That means maintaining a stable internal environment. Maintaining of a stable internal environment. Homeostasis control of mechanism. Monitor aspect of the internal environment and correct as needed. Various are within limits. There are 3 parts. Receptor. All receptor made with the help of protein. Control center. Student, you are discuss about homeostasis, and other point we will discuss in senior classes. Okay. Organizations of human body. Dear student, when you become a doctor, you can studying about human body. Head, cranial activity, vertebral canal, thoracic cavity, diaphragm, abdominal cavity, pelvic cavity, cranial, vertebral, mediastinum, left pleural activity, cavity, diaphragm, pelvic. Anatomical terminology: standing erect, facing forward, upper limbs at the side, palm facing forward, the thumb out. This is the human body. You can study anatomical terminology. Terms of relative positions: superior versus inferior, cranial, anterior, medial versus lateral, ipsilateral versus contralateral, proximal versus distal, superior, internal. Body section: in biology, some types of section: sagittal or median, divide body into left or right position. Mid sagittal, divide body into equal, transverse or horizontal, divide body into the superior and inferior portion, coronal and frontal portion. Body section: this is the transverse section, this is the longitudinal section. You cannot studying cross section. Longitudinal section, transverse section. This section is not allowed in biology. This is longitudinal and this is transverse section. Longitudinal means long. Abdominal subdivision: right upper quadrant, left upper quadrant, right lower quadrant, left lower quadrant. Body region: you can discuss about this diagram. Thank you, student.